again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Clotet, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abedi Pele, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. And the days of Ebo Smith, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Hey mama, hey mama, it's back again. Women's Premier League is back again. I say Women's Premier League is back again. Hey mama, it's back again. Tell everybody, everybody, go tell everybody to bring back the loop. Tell everybody, body, go tell everybody, see we won't bring the loop back. Tell everybody, body, go tell everybody, bring back the loop. Tell everybody, body, go tell everybody, bring back the loop. Say Ghana, 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 Ghana. Say Premier League, Premier League, Division 1 League, Division 1 League, Women's Premier League, Women's Premier League. It's back again, 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 it's back again. Ghana, 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 Ghana. Premier League, Division 1 League, Women's Premier League. It's back again. Je did. Ref, young boy. This is our Upper Band, let's cherish our Ghana Premier League. Since the days of Baba Yara, they've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, they've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Ababa, they've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah John, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado, we've been there. Again. Division 1 League is back again.
Jembo Pipi Akwaba and Fambra in Kind 93.3. Welcome on board Ghana Division 1 League. And now we are Santina say. Yedi hon kran yedi eba bejao na enewie aye Kumasi Matama Santi Kotoko e Wallen Clay Sports Stadium no amoton said the Frebusia Bonto Dwarfs nam the game no da shaso we Ghana Premier League mo
since the days of Abedi Pele we've been there Ghana Premier League
Nana games mienu na eto from
the days of Ebo Smith we've been there
na answer na no
Premier League is back again
Yansha line up anase mranche majipini esi akan Rema Kumasi Matama Santi Kotoko Bobo kono Abranti and Dandi Razaka Berora da Post Medical Kotoko Afe Abdul Ghani Wismail Christopher Nakainaite Mubarak Yusuf Afe Moro Ibrahim Habib Mohammed Mudasiru Salifu Fabio Gama dos Santos Emmanuel Jesse Patrick Kojo Asma And I feel Francis Andy Kumi.
Everybody,
Women Ranche Dupakwa. Amaji Penyesia Kain.
tell everybody.
Ede Amakotoko Bobokono. Enti Barikare Sala. And come from a place Nina. Razaka Berora. Mubarak Yusuf. Moro Ibrahim. Habib Muhammad. Murasilu Sarifu.
Tell everybody.
Afoko Pemo Bencha. Falis Anan Net Bench. Afa Brantian de Samuel Frimpong. Emmanuel Yekeyeke. Solomon Safu Taylor. Usman Ibrahim. And Afa Michael Vinicius.
He's back here.
Wumucham Rantiam Tibencha de Makuma Simetema Santi Kotokobobo Kono. Afro Nichemu. Or Cape Coast Mysterious. Ebusunya Bontra drops her. Saying I see it here. A branch and the Isaac Razak. And the post man. Ebusno Dwarfs. Inti Kotoko. Razak Aberora. Ebusno Dwarfs and so on. Isaac Razak. Adi. Afei Jenny's Kosa. Abogem Libianama Ebusno Dwarfs. Simon Mate Bobby. Emmanuel Anafo. Prince Kodo. Levitus Atta. Michael Ohene Asamoah. George Asamoah. Moro Salifu. Ala Kofi Jr. And I feel Richard Adey. Wemisam Nante Duba Komaji Pinesia Kandama. Ebusunya Bontra Dwas Bobokono. I feel Kobencha. Adakai Godwin at bench. Richard Amoa. Emmanuel Abu. Enoch Kafram. Seidu Abubakar. Jundo Morishita. And I feel Michael Aqua. Into Wemusam Ranchom to bench Adima. Ebusunya Dwas Bobokono. And Empire na Eja. Our Lake Sports Stadium. Now still not betting no message in the Jabba. Now if you're back in Candy Mount. And now had to focus Remo on an afford to Jabba packet to make a dinkunim. And no munya no mkotwa. You must see my Tama Santa Kotoko Jinakono. International results next year call. Maybe a wow Timmy Biano. Bet me a smart text na Jabba. 0594 841 044 0594 841 044. Osman the Baba back in Candy Amount. Text message and I say WhatsApp no. Or the Baba in Candy Amount. Now free predictions in the snow. Osman the Baba. All the same about me room on Facebook. Now also I drop a comment on. Yeah, live on Facebook. Into between your show ni be etie. Between your show ni be ashe. On Facebook, Twitter, na fei. YouTube, Instagram, na no rema. Ya hinkai 93.3 FM. Between your show ni be ashe be hono na bianso I find about. And be remu. Our Obuasel and Clean Sports Stadium.
Premier League is back again.
Na fe ya hwe. Nya ekwani ni aba.
Is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki.
Our Obuasel.
Women's Premier League is back again.
Afi we are.
Days of Asamoah.
Kofi ni poku betina say. Na fe afa match ni chikakra. And na Kofi predictions na first half na ye adwuma. The second half ndi ma huni bi o jene wentimi am predict. Ebia na kubanya no right. Our second half no. And so na Kofi dwane ye. Kofi dwane ye. Let's no munya no yam sese won ne oboba nyina. No munya yam sese won. Start dem be tia so. First half no be todwa na obi anhye bi no.
Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Clotet.
They've been there. Njene de wonya kukudura ba fie ha. Ene de me sure say 90 minutes nyina no obedi ofie ha. Obo monita nneoma na afo nya biaka. Na bia nso find dem akotokofo no. Nti se mutia mu ntia masudi na muntie.
They've been there. The Premier League is back again. Season. Division 1 League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Hey mama, hey mama, it's back again. Women's Premier League is back again. I say Women's Premier League is back again. Hey mama, hey mama, it's back again. Tell everybody, tell them. Everybody, tell them. Go tell everybody to bring back the love. Tell everybody, body. Go tell everybody, see we won't bring the love back. Tell everybody, body. Go tell everybody, bring back the love. Tell everybody, body. Go tell everybody.
Okay, me and Remo, Boston and Crespo Stadium. Now, Yanni Michael and Ponson Rush now ending come now for young senior or Boston and Crespo Stadium. So no, Terino AC Etie or Bossy. Hello, Rush now. Hello, Rush now. Yeah, Rush now, Timika. Yeah, Pepe Bijina ye na networking twitwasi nti Pepe Bijina ye. Afedia Rashna. Yeah, my son from. Yeah, okay. Afedia dem Rashna Timika. Afedia metonka. Na sisi awen. Yeah, Rashna metonka. Otimenka.
Yeah,
yes, Senator Terry Siatia or Boston and Crespo Stadium.
Okay, I'm not going to be I captured 93.3 high of Linkley Sports Stadium. GPL match day 24. Kumase Asante Kotkona after my friend said a Busan ground and a day and time. So our Linkley Sports Stadium now. Nana no adema penimi na tinaba betuga na entempaso mamenko Kumase Asante Kotkona fam womo ana ebo home abrant friends Razak Abelera eda postum Sansana Abdul Ganil Ismail and so Ejnamubi abrant friends Christopher Nete and abrant friends Mubarak Yusuf Ibrahim Modo Habib Mohammed Mudasiru Salifu Fabio Gama dos Santos Emmanuel Jensi Patrick Kojo Asma Francis and the Kumi way and Emrante Dubako Mujemu and the Ama Kumase Asante Kotoko and Tempaso Mamen Ko Busado Safam a branch of friends Ita Razak and also at that post in a branch of friends Dennis Costa Simon Mate Emmanuel Anafo Prince Kodo Levenshos Ata Michael Ohene Asamoah a branch of friends George Asamoah and after Moro Smiler and after a branch of friends Elia Kofi Jr. Richard Ade with any branch Dubako Musu Jemu Adiama Abonto Abusia Dog Kumase Asante Kotoko Wama Water Bench Adiama Kumase Asante Kotoko your goalkeeper your friend is Felix Anai and after Samuel Frimpong Emmanuel Kayeke Solomon Saputela Kwame Adon Frimpong Otman Ibrahim Nafi Michael Vinicius Junior dos Santos Moreira with any branch almost a bench and Tempaso can be a bit now back. Your friend said Mariano Barato Jared Nimono me. I attack tactical change now a movie at me. Abamu Mamenko Tima, your friend said Bushado from Woma or bench, you know, a branch here, your friend said Mark Aqua Jindu Morisa and I said Jindu Morisata, a branch of friends Sedu Abubakar, Enoch Afram, Emmanuel Abu, after Richard Amo and after a branch here, your friend said Gordon Adaika, where any Amrantia almost a bench, tempo tactical change be cost coach event, NS Thompson, Quatino, one over to me, I start changing and Amrantiano at me Abam. Not officials are an area or Mujamo, our bottle in Clay Potter, representative with a friend said Abdullah Ibrahim, a branch here, a friend said, and as a papa, well, one hour, Jamo, a friend said, Jasma, Adeno. I understand like two friends David Adiko and I have a fourth referee, friends Eric Sefa and I have a match commissioner William Gidiglo with an Emrantia, also a match official Amujamo. I said never have to me up and every Boston and Clay Sports and never and for you can the amount for supporters no and Yama popular standard. betumi akan woma omo agina mu ana fe o re center so na mrantie no baako bi agina mu a o ma ko betumi akan ensani ajenim enema ensani o supporters na enema nye ana fe otu ani ade popular sana 24 baako mienu bi nso atina ba be pima o ana fe so ni kakra na mom in general the supporters no enema antimi enkonkan minim sabi publicity no ana ankoye dia part enema enye ye hwani mu say time goes on no enema betimi azana supporters no aba besie mu o boase Linkley Sports and sabi make say there two teams na be check up na wia o makopie mu dressing room enche dia na say apani nu na be pie mu o boase Linkley Sports na
okay, rational meda say na COVID protocols no so no ehun say say rational timinka.
Yeah, Jeremy Tonga.
Na me bisa say COVID protocols no so no ehun say say Linkley Sports Stadium.
Protocols no there so far so good. Esani ora ansana some traffic no kwa na say media men no omo be wura mu no ye hwe say wo no otimi ase nose mask na fe sanitizer no would be pepper and sound kama enema etimi ekwe so far so good there protocols no enema etimi ekwe and after supporters no member no so no omo akakra na omo timi anya akonya na omo wura stadium no so no be etimi abon nose mask kama anya bia so nkuta hand sanitizer akra na nose mask there na wetimi abon kama
okay rational ya dance me fam si anom na game no chance ya be san ba na for the commentary dey ma tiefo okay Michael Ampersan Rational na added the Kwema enche na game no eba be chance inti agro any form
it's gonna Premier League. We gonna play good football. It's victory time, here we go. Put your hands up and wave your flag. That's the one we know. So put your hands up, we're about to play. And wave the flag now, we on the way.
Agrani from Ampa and then you may Ampa Edra or Boise Linkley Sports Stadium. Kumasi Matema Santi Kotoko and a Busso drops to the Ebony. I face 6 o'clock on Sonom. Game Kaseba Kwe Tojwa or Accra Sports Stadium. Great Olympics, Oligbago, Olimashi, Emashi Printing. How many Busso? When you Adriana Stars from the Ebony, Adriana Stars are just Oja. Nti mamen studio bi na fei yendu ko kakra na yemfa has na chi we kubi anso ngofo no
obi ahu mu so obi ahu mu
semba na hakegen
obi ahu ni Kofi Ajiro bi amu
aran betra maka hasa
ene obi aka bi
betra maka
aran ka sema
ade na so simitio
teams we be so ase oti teams we teams that dan dan ne bomu din ti wanu be ka ko ba
papa bi shia me oso o hwe oti kura hu so ya hasni
na be menya hasni
me papa e fin kansa oti o oso menya ko bi sisi a oso ya hasni
na be hasni menya hasni
me papa so ya hasni
na me no kure ni menya hasni but once adwuma ne de enye se o ya pass ni tede ma ba ko so ati ase se ne has de ba ba ya ma
so hia be ko ni ba na me ka chense ya adwuma o se enema bia bentini ga opesu hia sports for no na me ka chense commentary ni ntimi ma unso oye adwuma bi wa ha
na bisisa ya yeshi nti ye betimi akọ
ntimi hwe na onse mi bisa se time be no be pon ana o se o de me hwe nti o de me ne be ye nti ye besi bia me ka kire
okay
oti on store oti o so ya hasini
na menya hasini
o ya hasini o no account
has for no fia ne kasa mu ntimi nkasa
hasini ni obo na hasini
Kofi Ajiro obo ba o mu na me hasini
oh
bida obi anu se me support Kotokuro Royals
adana ya ode na odwane
me
Kofi ya hwe game no
has ni ye Kabiru ano ye has ni
Kabiru
oboba
where
fene Kabiru ano ye has
ma meti na jarabia wura afide nda honom ti yenchia no yes oton jarabia
jarabia wura no enra me ka se me kwaba baba nyanfa obi ntino eden hebe
kwankwanko jodi
eden hebe ko yebeko se we ni de we pore se nyade papa na kasa fine na mpa so we de nde no ase we no oni obi akasa pom so we de guchiri an kake nti July 20th no
nti yafa Malik hunche
Malik no oni no hwe masa oni no hwe
nti
July oni no hwe we kase no kase no
dabi
ane festival no mudi ni Brian
we festival wo mu guchiri ya
mienu ina yia
bronya ni tam so
enye no mu kuna ntwe no
bronya ni tam so ni July 20th
masa mo mfrɛ me before na mo mi kira se
July 20th we the photo keke just Ramadan no
we anya gidigidi bia
we Ramadan no mbre keke tam so
ba kona ya no
ya na mene alaji hankuri angasa do frame ni no be din komo do no jam ze
o da anya kesi
tam no so mo ya so ba anya intino
kesi na ya hwe nim na edu wo e be se eja se ba kono so sun ye no wa nya hwe nti we so Malik kontimi nya o hwe se we di
baby Abdul Malik Hussein abaka
se ba kono ye we wa nya hwe
se wa nya o de hye ba ho nti o de hye
oni ho hwe masa mi pepe ni a se Malik oni ho hwe da
anti kwabna tam no ya so ntino ya fa chire tew no
ya fa chire kotoko up against Ebusua Dwarfs kotoko se first half best of first half kwa de ma
me yen power kekena za so tam no so first half ndem hunu se kotoko nje bi na as good the bene as good Ebusua Dwarfs ntumi hye bi our first half
because no kan ya no zero no nenso no sa
because Kumasi Asante Kotoko as home team no on be dominate say on betumi ane enya first goal ahon prepare ni ntimi mo Kotoko ntumi nya first goal no and the year chere me say ade bi me hunu say game na kata no a
couple of players so Fabio Gama mo Patrick Asma mo Emmanuel Jesse Francis Andikumi mu nyina
obi antumi hye bi
okay
yes ntimi masema no
okay yeah nti first half no obi anhye bi
da be first half obi antumi fa bond
poku first half
kwamna Asante Kotoko be lead first half pe ohwa Ebusua Dwarfs kwa Kotoko ko no wako share no but Linkley Sports Stadium unko check here to header Dwarfs intimi ma Kumasi an oboase MS Kotoko party every day bia Kotoko di na chika form ohwa isi Asante Kotoko as a pressure be bomb so kakra because ohwa omunian ha so full kwa win omo cruise gab no and on person me dey call 4 points ohwa per squad Kotoko start here from number 1 to number 11 obia e good so and ohwe two goalkeepers na Razak Blanty FM Razak Ise Osehwan no oba Ghana Premier League up one of the best goalkeepers e woman obenya no e good the likes of ono Razak Abelowa Joseph Adomo but kwabena Trans Kumasi Asante Kotoko first half for Melody Kotoko de Dwarfs for Ebeka form emfa honi say the Ebusua Dwarfs ba be ball Linkley Sports Stadium apart from say Mediama any be say Kotoko party no me sure say Ebusua Dwarfs beat man be say Kotoko party Dreams FC crowd per quality players and equita Dreams FC any quality coach and equita o shop any FN NS Thompson Dwarfs coach am de neighbor me sure say ne owo adi hunhun bi oba bitimi akoso surprise bi ene ebetimi asay Asante Kotoko party ne da ene Trust Kumasi Asante Kotoko Fabio Gama Andy Kumi ene Andy Kumi kra go ene obehye go because ono ene so ball Linkley Sports Stadium bia obehye go ene oye den ani go no suru de beto atem so ne Asante Kotoko fans no o me expect say first half but me believe Kumasi Asante Kotoko is say one ball Linkley Sports Stadium no fans ne ball ne pe Ebusua Dwarfs kura wiya no mukodu oboase Linkley Sports Stadium so e ba na hoden ne ani bro mo de bebo no ase wo fon kakra compared to Kumasi Asante Kotoko ndra no mukodu Linkley Sports Stadium no mi hu ni say Dwarfs ebetimi akoso any surprise bia e wo Linkley Sports Stadium Kumasi Asante Kotoko first half no me think say on betimi abia abehye 1 goal and bia 2 goals crowd
first 1 goal and 2 goals na so Abranti and Andy
Kumi will go but o go ne oye den Andy Kumi be she go ne o be she go either say o be she go o go ne na course no
Debbie either so be she go
Kwabena make us be say oye den Andy Kumi be she go and Kwabena make us be she go
we aba o sin dia de Dominic Aviero the general o say massa obua
ɔsɛ
obua
ɔsɔ yɛ house ni
Kwabena
ɔyɛ house ana me ho ɛnyɛ sɛ Kwabena wonim meka ne page no sɛ there's nothing well abusua dos ba bitima menya single post
say first half say na say 90 minutes
one and two there's nothing well Kumasi Asante ko hwɛ Gaba House of Folk aklosi na wo hwɛ the wa determination a coach Mariano Barreto di aguram ɛna wo hwɛ team abusua dos no ko awie mo ko du oboase o akwese team no because Kwabena team no omo nyon wadwen se
nti wo assess abusua dos team na
Kwabena wo assess akwese wo assess Ashanti Gold Ashanti Gold na no mo ko brekum na no mo ko du brekum
nti na ehye omo
yes of course Kwabena say wo ye team no ani abre a
omanye well prepared
yes wonye well prepared say team a free Cape Coast na bo Lenkel Sports no na ne watu
say bi oboase
compared to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no akwakoda
yazu di kan ko to na de bibia to football there
meba first half no say na besi aye
yes Kwabena first half no take say Kumasi Asante Kotoko be win first half yes obe win
one goal and two
Kwabena and am say a 51 goal okọ no obetimi awi
e now say Andy Kumi be she no
yes that be say Andy Kumi wo goal yes wo goal ne we dey Andy Kumi be she goal
okay
he say first half we say second half wo goal yes
we the person there the Richard Amwakon I'm watching you live from Qatar good afternoon and Richard and Sweden the other for Facebook e abantene no di Roma e be jibe na afia kenkan di ama utie me so a fafa number is so text and answer WhatsApp no the bar senior first half ne be sia kono fa soma fa bra na yenkenka enfama 0594841044 Kumasi Asante Kotoko any abusua abontwa drops na di eboni o Ayelen Clean Sports Stadium first half no say ne be si akokofi say first half ne die new obi ntimi amfa goal emfa nto nyonko atempoku say eyade a Kumasi Metama Asante Kotoko o go o first half no muntene no na se onso de ene san hwan na ewremu Kotoko enya win no o first half no mu anase eyebusun drops na enya win no o first half no mu first half no fa we no na se o message no fa bra na yenkenkan emfa ma 0594 841 044 0594 841 044 osuma de ba e ba jibre na yakenkan edema all the same no betina ko Facebook a eye ahinkan 93.3 FM ahinkan 93.3 FM o search honom a bonsi e wo honom na onso odi eye comment ne de gu honom na ya jibre ne yakenkan de ma na bibia nso aye fine edem enche bewuro mu e wo oboase na fei ye live comment ne abana mom yendi kan fast da no e ma JA Bani and Company Limited say ne no o ma so ya sen na fei na say ye live comment ne ye de ebrel na de tie ne e bia wo no open Bani zone bi atwa Bani zone no na djuma eye ne say na say ya dia odi si nyoma e tinyama ne tintentem na say efibie wo mbia no eyi fi wo no ma wasum ejo enya de kokoto semuna bi na aposa na still na efino egoso e won tade nim dabi ukonya Bani zone na odi guso a oposa na kakra bia na chise efini nyina afim we nso de nchiema na say adia 6% concentrated chlorine e wo mtene no esanso jankapa eye watade nim a na say bibia nso be fine ed amount afi akasha no na say Bani akasha no nso abadwa so na say na si etie ebia wataro so na ayefin na say otal so sink mo obatas mu na ayefin na say ope akasha e de djuma honom e da papa ni ma honom a mepacho ko na kwaji Bani akasha ni bi na afa bi djuma na bibia enye fine emfa ema afi na je say wa ntefre intatia ehaw na say ne no aya nsonkonsu ehaw no unya Bani 20 satisfies ni bia odi bi space pro dem honom a na say sa mo wa nyina no e be show ma say edi amount na bibia nso ay ka ma edi amount afei udi woni chioma na se Bani 20 nso aba ene nso no na se person de papa otaro so anase ndin ofa otal so anase o sink mu a obatosa kona koje Bani 20 ni bi na fabi papa honom na bibia nso enko kama emfa emma afei mo anwo hamadwen no anase snakes hamadwen no Bani odi bibia ba ni dem ade bizarre anase zone snake repellent ukoji bia betimi abwao na sa mwa wenyina no ahyomase edi amao afei so betimi apampom de omako ekyirechire kura amende no na se omomba emba me hawadwen ebio tinini ko na koje eye bizarre ni bi anase zones eye snake repellent ni bi na fabi di space perfume na bibia enye fa enfama face tense move ano so aba stance bo ma ano edin wasiesia papa enko mepacho se ufesi hawe bia kona koje Bani stance move ani bi na fabi di juma na face sa stubborn sense nyina no enso ano emfa ema onim se coronavirus e ba ye na ye se ade di makoten de prevent coronavirus no e se odi semna ni nsuo e de ehoro nsa ene no opesem na papa pan de ehoro nsa na se ye bacteria se ye germs se ye virus na se possession asidia kona koje ban liquid soap ni bi na afa bi ehoro nsa fa bi di juma wo kitchen afei opeso wash o ka unya ban liquid soap ni bia odi kakra bi gu nsuo ma ebe po wo se puka edi ama na nso timi edi ahoro ka odi ahoro nchensi mu afei bia peso bi papa forma eno nso no obetimi aye na be bia nso aye fine edi ama upen chema sim dia oni panipa no ending komo 024 277 1650 024 277 1650 and that's 024 75 76 643 024 75 76 643 na onso ni panipa no edi nkomo na bibia nso aye kama edi ama main factory no ya kaswa Winneba road no so na se o baka so kwa kaswa ufi eye kaswa na se okọ eye Winneba sakwan so ana ewo na se wo between be se boom junction honum baabi wono do ni chiemu honum a obetimi hu ye na bibia nso aye kama edi ama nti do ni chiemu na se kaswa enso edi no main factory ni de honum na wonto do ni chiemu a obetimi enye bi ato na bibia nso akonkan edi ama okọ Liberia kankwan so honum no na do ni chiemu be hu je ebrani na nso onyom edi nkomo nti ne yewura mu awaboase na yanhwe na yemfa live comment no emfa embre eye etiefo. Hello Rashna. Yeah, Rashna game na shase. Hello Rashna jina baby ye na line twitwasi. Okay, agrone form ti yanko agrone form.
I can't from 93.3. I came up with an important way at GPL match day 24. Kumase Asante for Forabesuma. The second is upon the child after they and some so of the Pamaso. The second is July. Ibrahim no upon Abema. Get me a chance, Mama Kumas and so I just want to watch it here. Kumase Asante for 20 and Tima.
Rashna still na line no. Hello Rashna. Hello Rashna.
GPL match 24. Now Emmanuel Jansi Pazado, Pierre Bonaventi, Hakim Mohammed, what done with Pierre Ama, move on to see, back to Abranca, what done with Pierre Ama, Abranca, move on to see the silent. Why Anako, Christopher Neke, Pierre Bonaventi, Fabio Camara, Salvador Santos Jr., Kenny, Catherine Smith, back to Abranca, Christopher Neke, Pierre Manuel Tati, Pierre Manete, fantastic, Marcia Sanchez Kotoko, now Fabio Camara, FO. Fabio Camara, Unifaro. Fabio Camara, Unifaro.
Sports commentary. And look at
I cannot come here 93.3. Yes, I am in the bottom of Papua. I cannot actually and in the match 24. No cricket. Yes,
today. Music of a music.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Sports commentary. Emutaha.
network no enie endi ni nti sanhwe na san connect Michael back na yenhwe network okuma no de ya na aye bibia oho no nti san connect Michael back na yenhwe ne ekone ne ba twitwase sa na yenfa comment no enfa bra bet ganu de gusu a ekoso nti ni no obia entimi enfa eye go enfa nto no nyonko atenemu nti yegusu a ye live comment no ye de eba na yebehwe na fi ye kopiemu eye Obuasile Clean Sports Stadium na ye the live commentary no e de aba na sene ade no esi ekone de sana esi etie nti yebehwe na fi ye de no so e de abrel na bibia nso aye kama e de ama nti game no de eguso ekoso no ka say de obi antimi emfa go emfa to nyonko atrem nti eno ene nia ene so epfim aba igusuwa ya to mana hwe se ne sabeka Michael Baka na fi live commentary war calculated one ya di amount na bibia so ay kama edi amount ni no sana esi etie uromo Facebook abetimi ahwe na fi woti show ni bi live or Facebook live ya Ahinkai 93.3 FM uromo or Facebook ubunye bisa so na uromo Twitter so Instagram ina no YouTube ina no do ni chioma ubetimi enya show ni bi ahwe honum na bibia so ay kama edi amount so wo message bi so fa number so abai aya wodi asomje na fifa eye message ni fa so bra na yankenka efa ema 0594 841 044 0594 841 044 usma de ba yebajibe na kenkan edi ama bebre na ena abanti ebehwe na fi yeyi efro no wabra yegusu atwatwo hwanse sabeka Michael na Michael so the live comment no edi amaye no yebehwe na fi yedi also edi amount feno aye no ba kono de emsa agin sama nisa nti feno aye na yehunya eko enini ba we send team edi aye phobia sticker from Abenase na phobia sticker and so edi aba or say there will be draw in the first half. Okay, in the first half there no phobia sticker so edi aba say game no there draw no na say ebe pm or first half no mo bia na phobia sticker me hu say no drop and I say ghost drop so dia mentimi hu te phobia sticker san fa bra na yenhwe ne ndi ujuma enfamo say bia be 1122 and I say no draw fa bra na yehu nya eko ene ne ba o say 19 minutes ne there na say Dwarfs will win over Asante Kotoko. Phobia sticker me hu baby a ofi eba no ntene no phobia sticker so e de no o say game no there first half no obi a entimi ending kunim emfamfini nyakoso na mom 90 minutes ne die ohwempa dia wadomo siko ewurewuremu afa ba bia sende no na se yade a Kotoko ebedi nkugu ewobusu Dwarfs nsa no nti eno ene ne phobia sticker enso ede aba ene yahwe na yeye free honum ede ama nti phobia sticker enso ede no ense hasefo no mo hanum bebre hasefo no hanum bebre na bibrina na eba asire kotoko and Ross no Mr. Evans Kwame Buedi United States of Abuabu Bam ena Mr. Evans Buedi so adi aba na Mr. Evans I said then osire kotoko 0 Dwarfs 2 hey Mr. Evans you know ko wini o de on pre-win from obi lose 2-0 pound there anu be she e wole Enclin Sports Stadium but game there football there bibia timisi ntende ni ebia now Scotland ebeba so na Mr. Evans when first half and second half Fabra na minhwe se ebia wo de first half scores na ode abano and as 90 minutes scores ena ode abano ntende no na je say Fabra na minhwe nya eko ene nya eba ewo ehonum ti Mr. Evans also mensaka wo de bebe na abana so se de nsaka Michael ntime ewure mu obose na for life comment no emfa embra. Hello Michael.
Hello Jerry.
Yes Michael said them ti yanko
All right, yes, someone there cover the my head can open me. Lemo no answer. Network like I said, thank for my account. The power of yes, talk to the so never can play. For all ticket. A ticket, yes, where they say we should drop. A ticket, yes, where they say we should drop. Fabio Kama Tete, Fabio Kama, Dabi. Usaga Saiboreto, 1.6 to move by the city. The Piaboro Ariama, Jata Kabula, what you want to come. Ariama Christopher,
I can't FM commentary, and with the whole rough.
What Piaboro Trabi, Kone, Ebusiadra. What about the mobile city? Pierre Habib Mohamed. What about the mobile city? Pierre Abdul Kanu. Pierre Habib Mohamed. We're not Habib Mohamed. David. What is that? It's a possible inside of that. The piano Morabesi, now for a friend, the piano plays Kono, what can I tell them? I keep one feeling them. When I tell Kumase, I can't take a support. Immoral Bay, what Piamona could say. Immoral Bay, what Piamona could say. Ebusiadra, Simon Mate, October Kata, whatever Mate has answered the problem. Now, Emmanuel Jansi Pacharo, October Fabio Gama, the Salvador Santos Jr., for the Gama, Piarama, Christopher, Piarability, now whatever I bless a friend of Academy.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM, sports commentary, and Mutaho.
Naka bless your friend, Patrick Kodasma. Let's go. When you know, yes, we're coming to. What are you going to say? Thank you for that. Bless your friend, Kata Kabela, Piaboro. And the Pona why not? Now, Abdul Kani Israel, or Piadema, with a still Sally. That's Rabbi, with a still Sally for the Bonnet. What about the Michael Hene Asamoah? When I saw what someone loves in the part, why ever? Bless by your friend Fair, Liberation Sata, Liberation Sata, Piabon Yabesi, Piabon important say, no, we shadow out, more Swella, so let's roll, I'll be waiting upon. Where on target? Where on target? What a kick. The 2-1 car, what a Camera. Pereira Chabono, long side pass. Jabi. Bono Babadi, Eastern Assad. Now it's Gosipano, Adama. Attack Abela Pimbono, 4.2 Ebedi. Eastern Assad. I can't say one. We'll go now with Saka. Just come to highly close stadium, the very open question. Match day 24. Mate Asante Kotoko, the same team. Ebusia Abotua, IDK, Pande. I can affirm is the station. Le Crespo Stadium is the very open question. Upon Sir Michael Ratna, your commentator for the day. Now currently continues. Moro Ibrahim, Lord Telepath. Now, Jabi Kase. What about Betty? I bet you Michael here somewhere. Pierre Ma. I bet you Simon Mate. Pierre Betty. Wherever, please follow Jabba. Moro Ibrahim, Pimboyama, Abdul Daniel, and your Pierre Quality. Krasa Kabila, or Pierre Mobile PC. You see Mobile. Or Jumbo the Tentation and Dole Fabio, Amanda Somando Santos Jr. Fabio Kamasan Camono, Esso, and Tapaco, the Tueria, to my friend Kumase, Asante Kotoko. I can't say 93.3, yes.
I can't FM commentary and with the whole rough.
Michael here somewhere. Piamonia says, fantastic display. Masi Asante Kotoko. Probably have been one that Piedama with the Silu Salifu, Piedama Fabio Jama, the Silva dos Santos, Piedama Emmanuel Tempi Pajaro, Piedama Nete, Batu Emmanuel Tempi Pajaro, probably Emmanuel Tempi Hobio, Piedama Happy Mohammed, Happy Piedama with the Silu Salifu, Batu Ibrahim Moro. Back to Habib Mohamed, then just like a family, but Pierre Moubarisi, you see Moubari, who might say outside Tekot, they are taking the pace of the game. What about the Emmanuel Nete, what's now for Moneto? Yes, Tony Efetia.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Taho.
Now going to continue. When you come over the city, Pierre Ma, Patrick Kodras, Marabi. So nothing somebody found. I was saying, Matera from Simon Matera from now commentary continues. Whenever the Uchiado from Cowboy team, why are someone that is clearly at the power of them? Abusia Bonto Drug, I depended. I Jennifer 93.3. The best in the East. I'm going to see it in the art. Don't go there. I Jennifer. Let me come say, J.A. Pioneer Company Limited. J.A. Pioneer Company Limited. One more than 3 hours. All the way from Italy, Achima Bravo to be precise. They have not been more question. Les clés for sale. strike. No, Maria. No, Maria. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. No, Maria. How to go? I depend. Fantastic. Dennis Costa, how to go? I depend. What a strike. I can't believe it. Beautiful goal. Fantastic goal. Excellent goal. Oh, standard. Mamma mia, what the no brother City. Fantastic. A president of Simon Mate. What's up when I keep playing Cassiani? And my Dennis Costa. The people of the day. Or to myself in the morning that's now. What's the thought? Fantastic shot. I can't believe it. Mamma mia. What a try. I tell you, when I come to my president Dennis Costa. What kind of water they create? I saw it in Central Country.
I can't FM commentary and with the whole rough.
I leave you by one goal to let I just come out and say, Kotoko. Every share about I depend. But that's in the play. I can't FM 93.3. I came up with one and a button. And that's a Kuma. The Jessima. I tell you what I was saying. I could have done a question. And we say about one. Kuma say, I can't say,
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emuta Hot.
And everyone say, now you're talking to me. When you come Kuma say, I can't say, Opiada says, Dabi, Abushaba, I said that the Carbon and the team. Why NFL now Abushaba, a black day, a special Henry, Dabi, a boy printer. When I'm very happy, Mohammed, the Carbon and the man, Kojo Asma, Patrick. Create as a power here, Patrick Kojo Asma, and then Kumase Asante Kotoko. Create as an outside, and then here, Asante Kotoko. A pressure your turn to Simon Mate was covered. When I'm already able to dog, but that's the display, able to about dog. And yes, Kuma. Woman in pop. The lights of Elia Kofi Jr., Richard Abe, Morris Smiler, Michael Ahena Samoa. Fantastic. Ebusian Rock. That is taking the place of the game. Ebusian Rock. Now we are talking to someone about the Fabio Gama for Kumasi Santiago. Pianama, Happy Mohammed, Pianama, Mubarak, and I say, with a still started to Pianama Mora Ibrahim, or Konetiama, a Power Ben Bremen, or Power South Northern, probably Christopher Nete, or Chamber of Attack. Emmanuel Danzini.
We shall always win. We will never lose. In the name
Yes, Mania Sanda, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Santamoda, Kumasi Asante Komatia Tomoka. Dominicara, the Riga can be something. You know, from Meta Pesu, because of them. But they must approve. Come on, you fight for someone. And Alpha, and I'm good as so one you fight, and I saw come on. I told me. What a save! What a save! I will say that. I can't keep running. I can't say that. I can't keep running. I can't say that. What a save!
Ain't FM commentary and with the whole rough.
Osman Ibrahim Etlebem. Patrick Osman. Osman Ibrahim Etlebem. Patrick Osman. And the Asante Lozano. Mate Asante Kotoko 1. And we share the 1. Patrick Osman out. Osman Ibrahim. In. 33 minutes. Let's go. Mate Kotoko. Mariano Barroso Geronimo. What's in the it is the game that not say Papa. And we said that them Steady. And we say about I'm not Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So stand here, Papa, and get him. And let them Kutwa.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emutaho.
Amoma. Asante Kotoko top 10. Papa. I defend it. And we share that. We are testing the pace of the game. And we share that. Fantastic. I can't control the game. We share that. 82. I play the Richard Ade. What your opinion? Guys, to Coach Paul Grasat and Delaware. And you brought us here. Or can you move to the elastic limit? And you brought it here. And that's how they started a different. And we shut up. First, at the end of the game, and you might call the moment. And we shut up.
Ain't FM commentary and with the whole rough.
Temple up. Now, after a certain minute, when I say, after Daniel Issa, the Piarama Imoro Ibrahim, the Piarama, a breast player, breast study, at the body of Princeton. Now, boy, I'm going to move out of Kisi. Steve Mubare, the silent color, the cowboy, the Samo, Waneko, Osman, Gabi, boy, I'm going to Asante Kotoko Dadi. Great at the foul. Great at the foul. Great at the foul. They might come out there. Asante Kotoko. No foul people on top. power some misconduct. The contact to any rotation extra, and the number physical, direct and indirect ticket.
93.3 FM Sports Commentary.
Now commentary continues. A ticket. The two of the chair. It was there. I want to work with us. I was there. I bet you better. But you come out of the after Daniel Isra, one of the abilities. After Daniel Isra, after Daniel, what will be a sale and take for the mother? I said, when it's over, come at public ability, and a piano Katrabi, Sana, public ability. When the near share was never exploding, when the team of Maya was never exploding, after January, as many as I was never exploding, and I bought it so easy. I saw Debbie up in war. I saw Debbie. I'll connect it. I'll connect it. I'll connect it. Yes, you are there. And we say, I want to go. But we are going to take him. Yes, it's a number. Yes, it's a number. Manuel Sansi Pazaro. What's the body? Commander Connect and I can move free. And we say, papa. And you know, it's someone else. What you are going to do? 3 points in square, 3 points in square, you saw an idea. We never say. And I play to say, we didn't get 3 points in here. Now, what are you going to rather? What you're going to Padaro? Debbie, and that, it's a marathon. And so, get the other side, what am I? Now come back here at your time for 39 minutes inside the first half. Now say outside Toko 1 and we see a one. Now I can't wait tomorrow about the Santa cycle. Every shadow, every shadow, I want to I depend it. You have on the attempt that is Christopher Neto. The Chabon or Borabadi, happy moment. That is. Let's say I'm going to say, so I come up in more and Friday, I'm out with Shadow. Now it's time to work out. Come on. Borabadi, who are there outside for Toko. That is. Let's say I'm going to say, now let's start to work out. Come on. Now, as I say, Daddy. Probably Christopher Neto. The cabinet more, Daddy. Corner. Corner. Obayin Tete. Standard Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes. Oba. Kotoko communication team now.
I can't FM commentary. With the whole rough.
Obayin Tete. Standard Kumasi Asante Kotoko Pota. On the time. And to the other country, corner. The last row in a 220 football. I just have a corner home. 3-17. Imoro Ibrahim winning Imoro Ibrahim. What's up with it? I saw Imoro Ibrahim. What another winner tomorrow. It's Imoro. Probably Imoro Jansi Pacharo. taking Maka, Pajaro, Opiara Mahabi, Adiba Chaboratin, Chabi, Aspasia Tomorrow, Akonimu, Habi Mohammed, let's get the power of the piano. Master control supporters from hey, Commander, Piano, Unita, Yepino, so far, so good, Commander, what the second, somewhat. But you have to do more match than you have. I'm not going to power. I know I don't know. I say that's your best important than that's when I hit the foul. Now you're talking to boy about the every shot up. I said, when it's up, I come up for a piano. Chelsea! Ow! Emmanuel Chelsea Pajaro. Pajaro, Kuma Chelsea. That's the one that's here, Jackson.
Ain't FM commentary and with the whole
I can't from you. 93.3. I cannot put one in the button. Richard, yes. We talk about we talk about the Piamo, I do but the end of the Pia, I get it. We are the first in the East. Now, for about the Kumate, I can't take it for Sabi. Every shot drop. The money pop, every shot drop. For about the other say a friend, Timo Mate, the Chabon and Tente, now, every shot drop, Sabi. With a kilo to Bonnet Piadama, Abi Mohammed, when I baby Christopher Makai Nete, Nete the Bonate, when I baby Ebu Shadra, I put some more Shadra, the Piadi Bonama, I planted Fente, Michael Ohene Asamoa, Ohene Piaboro, Wyanako, now, Ebu Shadra, when I baby a planted a Fente, Moro Smala, Daddy. That's a question. Wanna touch the question? What a question. To what a car, what a bit of quality. Piadama, Piadama, Abi Mohammed, the Portuguese. What am I planted to move on the city? The Piadama, I bet there's a Mudakilo, Piadama, Piadama, Koto Asma,
Ain't 93.3 FM.
Elia Kofi Junior, when he pop. Kofi Junior, fantastic. Elia Kofi Junior, what you put on this Yatomwa. Now, Asante Kotoko Hopo. Asante Kotoko Hopo. Elia Kofi Junior, you found. Korea City. Platia Senator. Then you put us on. Now put us on for Timaya Tessaya. Every shot for Piamo and America. High character 93.3. Academy. Every shot I defend it. I'm going to pop.
I can't FM commentary and with the whole rough.
Yes, so. So. So the young one of them, one person can come from moving more. Mata, I never know what to the amount. Yes, yes. Probably Kumase Asante Kotoko. Nobody can see the silent killer. What a bonnet. Probably a Musadras. Dennis Costa, the goal scorer Capito. The player said that he has the ball prison. Probably nobody can see the silent killer. The player must on the camera. I didn't practice any shot ball prison. And child that he. I was told off. What is it? Probably a better say a friend. The best shot. Apply the bulletin. A child of me. More time. Wouldn't walk up, Papa. Well, you better show. Probably a told off. Fantastic. I bet the best of Prince Photo. And so you're ready to go up in the time. Get me. What about to Wapolabeni, ade pedi kanina blowere. Wapolabeni de pedi kanina blowere.
Asante Kotoko.
Kumase Asante Kotoko. Kumase Asante Kotoko Tebako. Kumase Ebusia Aboso. I depend. Woman to a Tebako. Omade. Kumase Asante Kotoko. So good. So good. Kumase Asante Kotoko. President Chagos and so and Debaco. And German Australia Kotoko supporter. Yeah, I think the point of policy here. Let's not communicate. The popular known as commanding my radio obedience. But the thing about the money is there was correct. I home away from home, you know. I think Baba Wama knows that now Baba no first is very low. Then any Baba Alana Baba. And if the back now, the first one, let me see but right now, the next number at the start of the team for overcoming almost always that coming up about all the way to what is happening up there. But right now, but the second hotspot ministry, definitely a very good and the professional will know. I think as a club, yesterday back to back. The person making that this judgment, you know, I think that as the meaning damage and then I got to me because the animal would be a clear house of opening a Diana Monomo now, the Diana Mamma. That's me, I know almost you're very almost passing away, but also to me, Chigabu. Was Sanonia for the Pusha 44 points. Right now, no one's away. I kept up with me. Upon on your mouth, but right now, make Margaret. We are Fatamoda, we have problem fraternity. We are club of the center, you know. On 5 about the next 5 minutes. They're setting up there, setting up. First half, second half, it's me dominating. No natural communication team member on my channel. You want to him. Who play more than Chris once the Kumase Asante Kotoko support tobacco, what plenty win now, clear the white. And I say, what's a bossa, and I tell after plenty who clear the white. Yes, Mamako Manano. I mean, I would just score everything I really gave you. 1 year through, and I said, one. Yes, we are one. Gentlemen, you can't know. Boy, a day is me, our house, and Tana, the beer could be a call. What did you say, baby? Oh, Yamidim. Okay, and Pierre Canim, Kanda Kotko support Tamaku and Amotekano. It is some more order. Serious of I can of them. 93.3 now. Take care, bro.
All right, Michael, yadase. Any live commentary out there fi Obas Lincoln Sports Stadium at the Ebrens. The calf no chance ya besamba na fo twa nfoni at the Achireti.
Okay.
Michael Amponsa Rashna na otene kan first half na kone wie ye Obas Lincoln Sports Stadium. Bobo Kwandin Ede Ebusia Bontra Dwarfs ne di kan eto atene di kan captain of the side Dennis Kosa ne nya first goal Ede Emma Bobo Kwandin Ede Ebusia Dwarfs afi Abranti andin Ede Emmanuel Jesse enso bounce back abeteka no Ede Amakoto continue ka se first half there aba na wie ye yade Bobo Kwandin de ebusua bonto drafts 1 Kumasi Matama Santi Kotoko 1 still agro any form Yes, indeed, that grown for Mampa. Messages in the Brenana Aba. We send the Christiana Boadu. Kotoko will win by 2 goals. I'm Christiana inside of Down Community 6. Christiana Boadu. Medasino also the Suma. And for Facebook at Diaba. Richard Amwakon. On the social life. Oh, Carter, good afternoon. Now Richard and Swadi Abba. Shaibu confidence. I see you people are doing a great job. The fire is burning. Kotoko will surely win this game 2 goals in favor of Kotoko. I see you showing Edifi Asante Achim Agogo. Inti announcing Shaibu confidence here on the Diaba. Afe Frank Entry. And to say Oshoyen Life House Swami Magazine Post Office. And a Frank Entry so then Diana Diaba. Charles Entry Adumakon. Onsida Kotoko will win by 3 goals. Nsida Kotoko betimi winning and also winning on second half in the bachelor. We have another 45 minutes to go. Minoka said 1-1 now Barcelona Transport Stadium. Obiantimi winning that game no. Our first half of Prince Opoko to say Australian life from USA Silver Spring 2 and a Prince Opoko and so that's why Wahanum the Prince Opoko in Checkers and Swan confirm Frank and Crescent Diaba Kotoko 2 episode drafts 1 and a Frank Country so then the other bar. Eric Safo. Eric Mihuya. Ejina Yahuye. Calvin Boateng. Kotoko is winning by 4 goals to 0. No that bottom quad just am far. Because the Buchon draw Sasha Bako. Dominic Diano Macan. Wisopoku Asante Babio I say 2 Kotoko 2 in our debate. Gabriel Jesus and I say Gabriel Jesus and so say Kotoko 2 and I Gabriel Jesus and so at the far Facebook at the mine. Into a message kakra no so for Facebook aba. Granny from we send a day a day. Kwame Anchi, yeah. I saw the free Akima Buabona Kwame so or the buyer. Kwame so it's here life. Na Kotoko win by a long goal. Ebacho Dabi say a long goal Kwadia. Kotoko di kan share. Ebuso drafts and so share. Interpretations in Kwame. Sam Brabio. Yeah, phobia sticker is out there now. Phobia sticker. What do you can't buy it? Nam Casa Fabra. The bear goes draw. And I say goalless draw. Phobia sticker said it will be goalless draw in the first half. Phobia sticker. Nam say phobia nintino. Phobia sticker and for 1-1. Inti San Fabra be second half no. San Fabra be only second half no so we no correct. Inti phobia sticker so dia no. Mr. Evans Kwame Boy United States of Abuabo. End of the match. Kotoko will lose 2 goals. You know the other in the better by 4-2. And I go from 4-2 but still Kotoko lose 2 goals and 3-1 you so Kotoko lose 2 goals.
There
Adia here say we start to 2 goals ahead of Kotoko.
Yes.
And Mr. Evans so at the Abanti.
So Ojidi say between Prince Adia. It was enough from sir.
Mr. Evans so the Abano no. I say has for no so no. Omo e kasa. Akwesa say nyoma nheda nko ye mfa mo. I say results omo pe no. Nyamba mu sa.
Zanya has for no ball.
But omo mo dey ba ni na ade. Has nko.
We don't know who somebody has for.
Oh, that be Mr. Evans dey minimum baby owo. Has ni Kotoku. Minimum.
On the same on the has ni.
Has ni Kotoku.
Has ni Kotoku. Ana Kotoko. Kotoku Royals. Okay, yeah.
Eh, has ni Kotoko. The better has ni Kotoko. Me has ni Kotoku.
Has ni Kotoku.
Kotoku Royals. You say that no see you ni buy no. Yeah, you organ kind of Royals.
Yes.
So mama kind of Kotoku Royals. Say what I say.
Also no so for UK da ba.
For UK ntia.
Also for fan na ba.
Me fi baby am fi ba ha.
We say for UK about so fi na ba say baby am fi ba.
Oh, fi Turkey.
Ere ba ha. Ere ba hin kan.
Na so na so
Me say you fi ba hin kan also fi Turkey.
Na pass what na maka chi na ka say na maka bi o.
Zemni me you fi ba.
E na fi ba. Fi Turkey.
7 years. As if 7 years the bar. Anyway, no way.
I'm who 7 years.
I don't know if you could the bar. We have sugar at the bar. And I don't sugar at the bar.
That be about 1991. I don't know any
if you grow the bar as Sophia grass in the bar.
Oh, if you chrome,
sugar at the groom. Now, so cast of baby the bar there. Because of you are quite crew on the bar. Grum Africa's one.
Grum Africa's then there.
And what the cucunas in there.
That be Honson shed on your crisis. But tell you, baby of Fiba, say we also know. And I be a year crowd. But say we also pan and if you pan in your way, groom. Okay, when you like me,
oh, that's the level.
That's me. Now can you go straight
to the account first because I to account. Just say, hey, as a quizy groom on.
Ya for bobansi wa nyasa abranti e be ko amane na
quizy groom on so za ya sika to on the miam rutua ye ba ha first one no ye na e ba ha na e ko afide ye be ko akwe kodu ho le kan ho jine dey na say
musansa motiba
na about 5 o'clock anumre ne kan ho de be ko amantia ye say amantia kan se na etu oh one month oh
Ageni. Western Day the Kwame free from Achimasane. Dwarfs will draw against Kotoko. And I come a free for so the buyer. Groaning from.
It's Ghana Premier League. We gonna play good football.
Western Day the Starboy if you are chima babu no the buyer. Osin check us here. And confirm Muslim phone na. Income phone and check us and confirm mo. And I'm a fashion name Dino. Barika Salla and confirm mo Asikotoko obedi nkunu mekani miensa ama drops nso atimu ba konti we Starboy di ono so diaba mami ko studio bi na me ne Kofi ndi ko kakra em so no so ndi na trafa ho was first half no ka say it will be goalless draw how can they
me say draw manka bibia nka ho manka say manka goalless azemia o me say draw era ma draw de no ano no what you say enti yan hwe game kakra Kumasi Asante Kotoko Busunya Dwarfs
o hwe phobia sticker sanso de babio Dwarfs will win over Asante Kotoko phobia sticker phobia sticker
any second half there
phobia sticker ade o chichiria na adwiri still na phobia sticker ogusu of him say still na Dwarfs be win game Kofi
yeah inti kwabna o share game na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene Dwarfs e born in Nenubri na Dwarfs if baby a na odin na e ba because obeka last week game na nkase ne Legon Cities e born pressure nti no am game no mo tu amfa de amfa kwa wie because supporters ne twe bi a team ni da na o mo share the way am performance ne share dan konkan na on person chenchele trombo game no mo nya 3 point ena na o mo share hu Dwarfs so om bom hu modin so mbede 3 point na dem e de assume na so no mo tena ho e ma Legon Cities be din kan to atena no mutumi ntie eno ema pressure dey e ba supporters no so mo so kototo ne ma referee ka se o tumi nyinam enhwe game no ma game no ento koso biem e ma mo call game no off nti ne omko eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko for home eno omko bonde omko se obetumi age point and dey ba because they say a league no ase no mo no go for no pre ho no ayedin nti uja ho lusu pointer menyi ze relegation e den abede obeko nti ase Dwarfs any Kotoko ebo ne den na onim se Kotoko no so na ho ne e wo so de chen no si am person mu dominate wo eye me fodo no se de be ya Fabio Gama no mutumi nya om konya na mo ye dem om ye because so ja Fabio Gama se yes on keka no ho no konjo magic wo eye fifi no mo na ebetumi aha mo ye panti se mo hunu se Gama na ono na team ni Kotoko abode around ono na bibia se bibia koye di mana na Kotoko tumi ko anim se si ama oji ball na pa na ma clear fi ono mti ama Kotoko no nkan fifi no se ye den no mtumi pempem ball ni ko anim na kumi no mu ade no so no etumi ede ball de to atana na den ade ede amam ena na amam concede first goal no but the mechanism Kotoko yade so concede goal no amantra mananche na within by 2 to 3 minutes to 5 minutes no omba e be take no because anya zanka pressure we dem e ba Kotoko team no so sanka e bo first half no wie e na Dwarfs asa Kotoko 1-0 mtumiti ya ka be dem pass Kotoko betumi a come back abe take na san so show mo second half no because ka pressure we start say e ba supporters no so de unim se Kotoko supporters so de wanim that is Kutuku se nya hye na no bohoma na pressure na start e ba tenchina pasa tika ntu de omo throw fire ne ba no e be ne dem Kotoko no se obetumi agina no se obetika no nti coach na yade se ntempara mo show mo no otumi mastermind de ma ni place no e ba bete e de kano ba ko omo de show mo first half no ma ne 1-1 se se am ni se second half no Kotoko ba obe changes ba ko bienu miensa bi eni mo no na ohwe na se niam enko yi a o change no mfa za Brazilian guy ba ko no emfa no bra because abrante goes on na no obobi ya otumi hye ba ko obobi otumi hye ba ko de eden no ba wa ba hye ba ko nti so hye ba ko nde a so oba ba hye ba ko na se Kotoko nya 2 nti se be ya coach ne ntempa no ba onfa ne de onfa ne mra no bia enko yi enfa Kotoko o hye Kotoko against a Dwarfs a ene Kotoko chenchen so mtumi nya 3 points no se no opoku ka no because Kotoko ne di kind of 41 points has of focus about to me 40 points omo mo dey tire na 40 what I say enti no that 41 points na ode da suru na no pese owini a obesa atope eye group no we say yes what I say enti no no o press obanya 3 points no say de be ya obesiki eye anim ho no na bibia de akoye de ma no enti ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko Dwarfs no pressure me hu say Kotoko so more than eye abusuan Dwarfs person say abusuan Dwarfs but enche de nyom so te say Kumasi Asante Kotoko na ono pa 3 points ni na say Dwarfs do nya 1 point kwa na ohun say eye ma no because ono the position that no pese onya point kankan say de be ya on relegation ono nka so kwaje cup bia na so nka so Premier League no ope and how betumi age because ono no ntumi nye what I say inti pressure bia nche de nyinu so kase te say Kumasi Asante Kotoko a ni one ne pre no say gab na ben house folk 40 point Kotoko 41 gab na ben it is a ubohom na uluzu point 3 points in the ma abusuan Dwarfs anana ne che 1-1 pona e be dey the amount say only has bet me there a compete because the other neighbor and we winning our way that I say okay has of folk na Kotoko no ni compete zizia no has of folk ne kwa away yes akọ winning it will go home that's how transfer ube ja point na abusuan Dwarfs anya team bia say Dwarfs na say Dwarfs na pe history kaka che say ube home bia shed no na so onu ube home na so ube ja 3 points na mana na mi hu ni say coach na ni ambrese ube tunu Kotoko na aje league no because team of us aje league there e bano in terms of this matches like this na e mu shed anya den na e say you so ube 3 points because only Dwarfs board there definitely e say onya 3 points na Kotoko team no there e ko nanim na ende Kotoko against Dwarfs no me confident me hu ni say game no ɛyɛ de obi betumi ne nyanko kyerɛ ka fam 1-1 na mo nya first half no ɛno na mo de pon
nti 1-1 ɛno na
mo de pon de me de me hu no pe commentary matie ɛne me observation kakra me yɛ commentary no mu ɛhwehwɛ players bi ne ade di company bi no hu sɛ game no 90 minutes no 1-1 na mo hyɛ no yɛ de no apon
okay nti Kofi Ejenso ade no ɔse 90 minutes no ɛyɛ ade a goals o mo hyɛ first half no ɛno a ɛna be reflect our second half no mu obia entimi mfa go mfa to dwan kwantene mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ second half no Kofi Ajiri enso de no enche be wura mu oboase na fe second half no ye de abrel but still na me say agro any from Into betimi de aya o text message na diaba 0594841044 0594841044 Osman de Baji back in Canada amount all this no betimi room of Facebook na ma drop messages na ho also I can 93.3 I can 93.3 FM room one man also making come messages no one me the amount na be find the amount game ni there first half na bana wie ye report am second half na shasi anisa ntianche be wura mu Boasile clean na the second half na so the bro live commentary from Boasile clean Sports Stadium you go so to ahoma no
Vibes baby.
ahwe se betimi atoma running from my granny from 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 running from my granny hey baba
It's Ghana Premier League.
go
Gonna play good football.
ga
Victory time, yeah we go. Put your hands up and wave your flag, 'cause you are we know.
running from my granny from 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 running from my granny from
For the witness, the fairness, football of a time, no racism, fair play is the meaning of the game. So put your hands up, we're about to play, and wave the flag now, we on the way. So if you're ready, let me hear you say, running from my
running from my granny from 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 running from my granny from
It's gonna bring me alive. Oh yeah. Hey, gonna bring me alive.
running from my granny from running from my granny from
granny from my granny from
Vibes baby.
agroni running from my granny from running from my granny from running from my granny from
running from my
yes agroni from Ghana Premier League
Ghana Premier League.
and we and I think konwa so
Play good
I don't want crown the eja no na games me no na eba so ene
football.
say na see tie
Put your hands up and wave your flag.
game the live commentary the brown no game one Kumasi Matema Santi Kotoko Amotina Fio Boasile clean Sports Stadium Aton Sada Fre Busuna Bontua Dwarfs
For the witness,
First Africa Akone Wiye
football of a time, no racism,
1-1
fair play.
in the PFM Abaye
So put your hands up, we're about to play, and wave the flag now, we on the way. So if you're ready, let me hear you say, running from my
Oil City vibes, baby.
Agonia, 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 Growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from.
It's Ghana Premier League. We're gonna play good football. It's victory time, yeah we go. So put your hands up and wave your flag, 'cause you are we know.
Growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from.
Before the witness, the finest football of our time. No racism, fair play is the meaning of the game. So put your hands up, we're about to play. And wave the flag now, we're on the way. So if you're ready, let me hear you say, growing from my
Growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, Agonia, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from.
It's Ghana Premier League. We're gonna play good football. It's victory time, yeah we go. So put your hands up and wave your flag, 'cause you are we know.
Growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from.
Before the witness, the finest football of our time. No racism, fair play is the meaning of the game. So put your hands up, we're about to play. And wave the flag now, we're on the way. So if you're ready, let me hear you say, growing from
Growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from.
It's Ghana Premier League. We're gonna play good football. It's victory time, yeah we go. So put your hands up and wave your flag, 'cause you are we know.
Growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from.
Before the witness, the finest football of our time. No racism, fair play is the meaning of the game. So put your hands up, we're about to play. And wave the flag now, we're on the way. So if you're ready, let me hear you say, growing from
Growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from.
It's Ghana Premier League. We're gonna play good football. It's victory time, yeah we go. So put your hands up and wave your flag, 'cause you are we know.
Growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from.
Before the witness, the finest football of our time. No racism, fair play is the meaning of the game. So put your hands up, we're about to play. And wave the flag now, we're on the way. So if you're ready, let me hear you say, growing from
Growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my growing from, growing from now, growing from, growing from my
Now,
Ahinkan FM commentary and with the whole rough.
And I was saying, and I'll say, Emmanuel Chancy, Opiamo and Adam Katra, and see if I two. Tima, your president, Musha, I want to I declare, I defend it. Woman, so I'm me out of
Ahinkan FM commentary and with the whole rough.
One word to me, Elia Kofi Junior. One word to me, Emma Enoch Asram. One word to me about the Samuel Emma. And we say about Twata. I declare, I defend it. Now, Poro Dua. Now, whatever it is to my say, I thank you for. Christopher Nete, Piani Bonama. Asma, that is. Now, when I saw many Kumase, I thank you for Toto. Fabio Camada, Silva, Santo Junior. Whatever it is. Whatever Abdul Kani Wisma, what a friend. Piani said, Sadi Bonacay, Kumase, I thank you for Emmanuel Chancy, Magaro, Foul. One way to foul. One way to foul. One way to foul. It's 2 here. If we start up 1 12. I defend it. Hey, hold. Now, Poro is picking. Don't say, Emmanuel Chancy jump on it. Tomorrow is ready. Put out of the Ebuchanga. Don't take the fight. Ebuchanga. Fire Echo. A friend, Moro is minor. Take not to come here to the power. Where am I? Timon Martin. Get to the power. Where am I? Timon Martin. At the power, and the amount team on market.
Ahinkan 93.3 FM Sports Commentary.
Now, Ponoka, don't tell your vegetarian. Polo Smiler. Yes, what up, Kemo? Christopher Nete, the Demonio. Tell you what I see about National Kuma. Ponoka, a black person in the attack of Pelora. Pelora, the one at war. A bigger boy said to. It's a great empire, the kind. Black person, Emmanuel Chancy, Pajaro, and I want 2 goals. And the amount to Marseille, Asante, Potoko. Ponababri, Ebusoga. Chabon, Bonababri, Sanko, Gabi. So for someone, I wanted to find me a call. Put a problem to your very same. If I shot that, I will pick up with them. Pono a cookie. Pono a cookie. A cookie gets to a year. Now that's a couple of Yamamubari. If I cover it, fine, now that. Kumase Asante Kotoko. Kumase Asante Kotoko. Now Dennis Akusa Atumori Kamakama. Pianete, final effort. Now Daddy. Rancher Center Michael Ohinensi Atoboro. Now point to Kumase Asante Kotoko. Mano Jensi Daddy. Ponente, final effort. Now come to Kojo Asma. Yaya ne pampi se miswa ajibona Clinton. Kuna mabedi Simama se piani bona se. Final effort. Now Ebucha drive. Ebucha one to drive. Georgia Samwa. Georgia Samwa piani ma. A branch Daddy. Where Bonate, now one of the Kisofa, the Kainete, Pianama Sunday Kama, from the Kama Bonnet, Pianama Mubarak, back to Sunday Kama, what you take this Piana says, Pianaco, now Kojo Asma, Pianama Sunday Kama, from the Kama Bonnet, and what fantastic, fantastic, beautiful, excellent display. What a save! What a save! What a save! Francis Andy Kumi. Today, Kuma Johnson, Onyansan Kuma. That's where inside that. When you put in the stadium, every shadow. Put on our center cycle. Let's see at the foul. Let's see Abdullah Ibrahim. Why the foul supposed to be captured? Almost reckon who. Mate Asante Kotoko supported.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary and who.
Get back at the goal. Put up on the knee. And push your drop. A French player, Michael Ohina Samoa. When he Michael Ohina Samoa. What you for Sunamuso, for Kenny, for the Napa Bonaso, and Yasan Kuma. Michael Ohina Samoa. Don't say I can't go to go ahead.
Ahinkai FM commentary and with the whole rough.
I'm saying, Andy Kumi African. I'm a Solomon Saputela from Karela United. I feel the time. Baby, chance to Danny Babia and Asen Kuma. Said Solomon Saputela. Karela United, one of our friends, Emmanuel Kayake. Woman can see you on an answer to my net. Woman not down when you came off, must be a Sante Kotoko. Obama, almost to bed. Nana Kayaka to bed, some of Kaputela and Trade. What you have the Francis and the Kumiaki. I'm a Solomon Saputela, what you have a yeah. Mamma mia! I can't believe it! I can't import it! I can't keep swearing God! I can't get better Emmanuel Champion Pajero! I got one hat-trick! Yeah! Emmanuel Jansi, one get swearing. Emmanuel Jansi, and then we have minute. After you play a back with Emmanuel Jansi, so Emmanuel Jansi, I can get to every going to see. And I'm out of now, Bonnie through, Babadi 11 shots after Piavo and Yama. That is. Transfer your friends, Richard Ade, Open to Jack Camaro. Ponoka, Rata Camura, Piama, move out to see the silent killer. Fantastic, move out to see. Said it was Richard Ade on Asma. Piamore Yama, Brancha Benta Habi Mohammed, Jadi Kundasiru Sari Swatibom. Kundasiru Sari Kundafom. And until you're ready for Yama Kotoko, when I'm very Mubaki, Piama Habi Mohammed, Habi Mohammed Piama Mubaki, when I'm for the Raza Camera, Raza Camera Yamonto, or Penalty, or Pumon is two, and so grim. Now, saying that title, now Shadow Bayboneko, when I'm a very area, Sabi. I represent Michael Hinemo. I just found him out Michael Hinea somewhere. Michael Hinea somewhere when him pop. One hour 10 cycle, every Sandra. Piamon and Yama, Timo Mate, Piamon, now represent Tokento, where I'm a very man just get him up with a serious self. Why now, Osman, Sabi. Solomon Sakukela Roda, Solomon Sakukela, we're not for one, so what's taking my cat? With a Tiru, Heavy.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM, sports commentary, and Mutaha.
I never want to make trouble. Emmanuel Santi, Omo African, Pajaro, they saw him. Pajaro, they saw him. Was that the man of the matter? I will not be surprised, actually. Emmanuel Santi Pajaro, and I said, Kuma, now, I let you better, but for Dominic Matar. Yes. Oh. Hey! Osman Ibrahim, how could you make such a time? Osman Ibrahim, Osman Ibrahim, and you walk from wow, for Palubana to Abi. Now you're talking to Brabba Bichaga, a franchise, Liver Shot, Ata, fantastic, Liver Shot, Abi. Over like this. When I touch a body so, what is so? My friend said, I was selling great for you. Would you in Canada? 93.3. I came up with one in the bottom. I came out down in the bottom now. What you could say with you? I in Canada. 93.3. And in the bottom now, what we not here, I ain't Canada. I said important, and I was supported the serious of in Canada. 93.3. Upon San Michael Graxna, Sababa Kimo Leclerc Postarium, courtesy, the Binary Company Limited, all the way from Matin, Apuapo, and it's never the Kimu, the Rogama. For the Cat number of Piemu. Our Potter Leclerc Postarium. The Binary Company Limited, and the end of it. But say, coronavirus survive. Then the Binary Company Limited. I got some Smith here. None of me see another day. Planning now, I got coronavirus. I got a point at the other goal. I don't say, Yami, and say, yes, indeed, Yami. And to put the Binary Company Limited, they put the hand sanitizer. A man can hand sanitizer. A man can not come on hand sanitizer. They will remember the people hand sanitizer. And the corner quantity. And Akasha, for the president. For the Binary Company Limited. That's what Akasha. A man took an Akasha. What kind of mob for Muhibisan? Akasha. And I said, wow. For the Binary Company Limited. That's what quantity. Don't have breath here. The friend is there. The bench is utter. What do I tell you? I'm a mark upper. What do I tell you? I'm a Kevin. I am a Bushia. But then you never ever say about someone to drop. For a Rasta Campera, a J.A. Company Limited. J.A. Company Limited. Omo ono ajaru mani abetemu. I was a great person. The condition. J.A. Company Limited. We are Catarina, and Quantama Caratana. When I tell you what, almost I am Rana, again, with the hands and side, and I've been a Kaka. And I've been looking so young to be over. Who can pay? Obey the amount. The point of view that the insurance came out and was it. In the day, the old kitchen and Catholic putting you already in the idea. You never go away, your money, and I am still crap. I now own no tip, but I didn't know what I want, Mr. Mariam. So I put it at home. I have put a move. I said, you can say I put a move at that home. Aha. And then at that point, I put a move out. For everybody Company Limited. That's what I continue. Now, yes, what can I go?
I can't FM commentary with the whole rough.
CPR Monday 24. Kumase Asante Kotoko. And it's Timaya 27. And we share our brother. I defend it. Kotoko Tabiru. I defend it. And we share our judgment here. And we share our judgment here. I'm Brian Kabia. And I let me answer. Yes, we're coming for. When I saw the zero, the Pierre and I are not touching. I saw David. What an embarrassment. I see a gas now. Malcolm, what you're so and so. 77 minutes. What say I can't take responsibility. I defend it. One fantastic. Now, put up on the Marche as a difficult. I'm on top of Kella. Piedama put a kiddo, but I feel Piedama heavy moment. But to a bench, Christopher Nakai, Christopher, what's taking my car? What is that? Let me start your gamma, that's Junior. Get that to come. Get it, start your gamma to come. Start your gamma. Get that to come. Crazy. Great player to say, Abdullah Ibrahim. What is power, Yama? To pass it as a Kotoko.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary and Mutaha.
Amanda, the Texas and your so better and what you're funny and your so cool. Give me one time. Right now, what for the capable ability. Never to tell a plastic for the way. I'm in maybe I never say my me. And I realize the whole. No, never look at it. But because of the Comoya, I won't say it. No, I mind the day I'm a Channel. Mind the day. National Communication Team member. Animal Kumase Asante Kotoko. I say, yes, you know.
I can't FM commentary with the whole rough.
Now I think of it. What I'm got, every time I was so I defend it. If you want to see, now I'm trying to say, you say that be going to say, now, I come, you want to pick them. Probably every time going to say, now, what I'm got, what in it, and the other be. My car in it. What's that? What a dog! What a dog! What a dog! Fantastic! Every shutdown! I became Sunday. So far, so good. Omuchire ewu omwani mase. Efusianzwa. Papa. Mama Kumase Asante go to top side. Nemo Omudi Kabako. A2-1. Now Boya Babeli center circle. Babel Kama. Yes, Otiasa Genso. Puesta. Efusianzwa. Dani. And it's power this year. Efusianzwa. Great Tirane. And it's power this year. Great Tirane. I was not going to this power that you are going to can't I hope you have the clay for you.
93.3 FM Sports Commentary. And Mutaha.
Now, that's our friend, it's a great plan. It's not after you want to go. That's what I feel. You want to have Kumase Asante. One year two. Yes, you have to Kumase Asante. Simon Mate. Somebody ability. Somebody come. Conan say, now we shall rock. Kiara ability. Why not? Prince Dennis Potter. Then Potter the goal for her. Pierre Makapa, Pierre Mayako, now back to Makapa, Pierre Momate, Pierre Mabratia, your friend, Georgia Samoa, Okana to one and transaction, Yata Cabrera, what you want, come, we're born out to come. Now, play that one. Now, that's your friend say, Boro, Mala, Kimbo, Bonabari, Mudaki, Matia Sanchez, the Tana shows you to Sabonia Fowl. The Tana shows you to Sabonia Fowl. Where you are, you must say, and I say, it's not about to one to a dog. Don't say Fabio Gama, what can watch for? Fabio Gama dos Santos. Fabio Gama dos Santos. But to support the train in a half, Frank. Yes. Why don't you be any number? What's the name from the commissioner by 3 goals to nothing? Then I say, everything over my. Out to Canio, and to Resident Chicago.
Ain't FM commentary and with the whole rough.
Okay, we have to send one coming to come on to that. My uncle, tired of it. What I have found. And to come back now for Tuana. Yeah. Bouncer. A branch here, furniture. Greater than that. One Rata Cabrera. What's there, Massa? Which you have probably a show. I said, what's on what? Because on that black house in India. They now body and important. Young men and say, Black house in everything of movie. What's on Tower them? What's on the Tower them? What's in the attempt to know? What's okay about Tiaka? And when they see a person, I'll go for and that's a smart. Fabio, and I said, a branch of friends, created a day. When a Rata Cabrera was going to be a message of Zobia. What's that? Who doesn't want it now? From him, so then we'll prepare, we'll up to like him now. And come back to the area. What's what they point to no get next week? Who will have the bell? I know, and I'll also. Our group of manners, so never rest at Tattoo Umeru. And the judge next study. Mounted Christopher Nakainete on the form. Demo Gaza Cabellera and the yellow card. what delay. Gata Cabrera, that's what delay. And it's Gatti Aman yellow card. Christopher Nakainete, what a opponent is. M.I.A. Channel. Nabono A60 Nemo, Christopher Nete. What's the Abranta written at any time? What's in an Incana or Gadi Bonama, Raza Cabrera, Betano. And Opia Christopher Nete. Written at Opia Christopher Nete. I'm a copy of Raza Cabrera. And to the opponent, I know Raza Cabrera and Katia. And Kawane written at the Equayano. Demo. Almost on promise opponent. That's on the other side. And I'm against the other. Okay. For a foul. I'll say Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I'm going to say Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Somewhere simple. Somewhere simple. Actually, somewhere simple. Actually, I'm a Christopher Nete. Went to me. Now I tell one boy, I'm coming when it's a quarter. You want one echo. Now, the brain is what you have for one. Where is that? Ebushara, Piano Timomate, Momented Monomati, Pianama, a Tarabi, what say it? Now, Tabi, Yasa Cabrera, Black Stars Material.
93.3 FM, Sports Commentary, Emu Taha.
Mama Kuma Kumiasa. Now, I'll catch you. I'll catch you. Kuma say a Santa Protocol. They are leading by 2 goals to 1. Against I depend. Now, whenever I press a quarter, they are in pumping at the border Clinton. Dennis Costa, they're in the pumping service. They're not so ready to somebody foul. Dennis Costa, for we start up. Somebody symptomatic. I'm going to get to her. Now I tell what it's more. Can't say it.
I can't FM commentary and with the whole rough.
I depend. Oh, Emmanuel Nakai Nete. What a man can so. Yeah, when it's kind of too bad. What's the way, yeah, the line to make trouble for you. Yeah, ready, can measure me, ready, Medao, yeah, Nanayane. I know any, and some more. I bet Christopher Nakai, all our man channel. What I'm said, what I'm from, and I didn't say, and I also wait, Minane. Minanete, I had the 2 days, running, Minanete, San Benjamin. Midnight, yeah, to make trouble for you. And the corn in Tennessee, wait, the power in you. That's the Kumet number. Okay, I can't get it so. Put a crab, let's say, some of them go. Fantastic goalkeeping. Inside Razak. What team was to the last limit? I put it through. Inside Razak. What team was to the floor? Inside Razak. And that's him, Kuma. Now, put it down. Razak Cabrera. Marcia, and a club on. Cowboy, what I'm saying, Now, Plenty, somewhere simple. Somewhere simple. When I'm going for Papa. Somewhere simple. Somewhere simple. What are you going to say? Somewhere simple. Somewhere simple. What are you going to say? Now, boy, I'm about to I Plenty, Simon Mate. Come on, Abushanwa. When I'm about to somewhere simple. Kumase Asante Kotoko. Piarema, Plenty, your friend is there. Osman Ibrahim. Back to Abim Mohamed, Osman Ibrahim, Piarema, Fabio Kama, Samuel Simple, back to Fabio Kama, Habib to Fabio Kama to Abranche Mubani Christi. Long second pass. Now Emmanuel Dancy Pajaro. Hey! Simon Mate was a check. Vinyana better. The one to go from my said, Yankatama town. And Yajma. I don't see what Clevono, what Clary Emmanuel Dancy Nasro. And it's Bono, Konake. The last way I could say football. I can say about Konakiko. Don't say man of justice. Piarema. I plant a happy moment. I do a moment. What can I Piarema? I plant a man of justice. But Imoro. Piarema had the moment. I do moment. This gentleman. Piarema somewhat simple. What say I stand simple. Piarema. Point say now somewhat simple. So, when I'm already, Mubarak to say, the Chabon Yabi, when I'm very happy, I just want to put him on with a seal, what am I saying? Mania. Oh. How could you? Mate, I can't take whatever. Solomon Saputela. How could you miss such a chance? I can't believe it. Solomon Saputela should have done better. I tell him what the same power. I tell him why I'm coming to our boy. I tell him I tell myself border. When you're there, but boy, over transfer. But Solomon Saputela, what you want to say? Yes. Now I try to do so. And Sevilla, just play over one of them. I'm a country national barrier. I stand on China. I did my many people. Poroka, I've got to Dennis Costa, Capito, Poroka, Dennis Costa, Pianate, Pianaco, nobody there. Now, Ebusada, Pianate, Pianaco, Ebusada, I've got to your friend, Georgia Samoa, Pianate, Pianaco, Ebusada, Poro outside.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. I'm
going to tell you that number here. Solomon Saputela, Watani, Solomon Saputela, you're in the front piece and you squad one of yourself. When I'm already Timo Mate, now Timo Mate, and keep Giacomo, Ebusada, Watani, Ronaldo, Michael here somewhere, Pianate, Ronaldo, Amaka, a town. I'm sorry, I said the penalty. Whenever he's so bad at it, I didn't want it. Whenever I've done Dennis Costa. If you want to say, Pineapple, nobody say it. Whenever he keeps up on more, Pineapple. Now, thank you, Papa. So, for people, it's true. Pressure upon pressure. Pressure your friend is Georgia Samoa. Sega Sama, two more Radiama, a Brenta, Mark Alpha, a Tadabi. Goki, see for us 16. The year Jumadia. Tomorrow, and I say, I will someone. Demo. Jeffrey Abdullah Ibrahim. Wapana bemu dia kenseni na berea. Jeffrey Abdullah Ibrahim. Wapana bemu dia kenseni na berea. Kumase asante kotu. Ebuja abonso. What? Omandebe. Emsela squad kotu. Match we kwa nini wa? Sani asigini ku tama. Ano bakata. I mean, what is match? Yeah, open match. I know the starting match is going to go, and they lose. Like I don't follow the overcoming. And I'm going to continue to go. I'm going to go away. It's now. But I'm going to take it again. And then I want the two of them. Emre, yani awon ya to kini ko ko dana o ya fa kamoda ma o ya ko dia ko tele so you fit the problem in Kamasi. I know a national communication team member Crucia Omandebe and I'm a Channel. I can't tell you the national Mate Asante Koto Kati Emmanuel Santi Pazaro Wono ene tuwe puku ntwani arena ade ba Kumase Asante Koto na say Atlanta Atlanta Dennis Costa wono tuwe kuma nice wicket esmeri program eja aya hinkarata 93.3 na mono wale pa da kechepa enfoma Bani Company Limited Bani Company Limited anya somtuma womo ene tuwe akwaya say akwaya from the BFN Achima Bravo all the way from Achima Bravo American oh boss le class for cinema and now some sort of for Bani Company Limited now so because any of them hand sanitizer yes American hand sanitizer yes American I want to almost almost at the corner of the coronavirus survive yan Bani Company Limited I can imagine now at so Edema the supporters are more of the promotion. Now, the BB, Anthony, the Memphis more of Boston and Cleno, real hands and tigers are a group of supporters now. Omina, the Bucha, Omoneta, Ontario, Bani Company Limited, and now some good ones to look to say a day and out to the actually, who can on today for the Chemo. Oh, Bani Company Limited. Now the company hand sanitizer, no, said a money can say hand sanitizer, Omkano Mabom in a car. That's the company. And I'll say, since we move by now, obviously, I know now anymore. Actually, I'm going to say, Akasha, but now for Bani Company Limited, Oka, but obviously, I'm also with me at the cricket. Talado, and then your money now, also watch me at the Akon. And see, I tell him, talk to me, Kanya, Tomu, oh, the serious of buying Canada, 93.3. Aha, I'll put the clear for them at the end of the 90th minute. Kumase Asante Kotoku, Kumase Ebutia, Abonto, IDK, Adipande 1.
Yebeshamoko, Asante Kotoko, Yebeshe, Asante Kotoko, Yebeshamo.
Eba. Yes, Governor Panevier. Our Obuasi Clay Sports Stadium. Kumasi Matama Santi Kotoko. Eshemieno Takete Sabranti and Emmanuel Jemfi. Afe Daniel Kosa. Inya constellation ba Kodma. Mysterious Butua Bontua do outside the K Adi Pande.
Asante.
Mami Urema was studio B na fe yendin komo na yen sorry so. Mreno kwa ne ko na fe ma Kotoko supporters ne be say 2000 bi embra obubo hia na fe ya sorry so.
Kajuma no. Kajuma ba kuna.
Wo bobo fori amanfo. Chama bia wako de. Ono so ayede. We no. Ba chama mo friend munya wotre, na mama ma Kofi Ambransa, Kofi ba wi anafi. Ya ba frefo.
Kwabra mu sama pon. Nti the can no I say.
Dabi ma no wo case nti.
Kotokwa. Esa mo ya de.
Na baba.
Yeah, kwabra.
Na bi ma ba Kofi.
Me de me kan say win na me kan say be ba mabam. Say Kotoko be win na manya 3 points. Oye den ya league in the Kotoko beji. Me kasi p. Because na me we chone na me check. Onze na me check Jodi. Na me check matches na kan. Kotoko ne has dey be decide. But some match no ko be ball in Clean Sports Stadium.
I say all in clean.
Yes.
Se be do na so mu wie Kumasi dia.
Behind be do no mu wie Kumasi dia. Ba kwam na store na say Lenkle ni Kumasi ni and the same as Kumasi. Ndio dey men fan sa.
Frekas na be hu be concern no tafa ho.
Yes, of course. Ba kwam na yemo Kotoko coach na ba so. O hwe mo omode atutu anam na biso ado ase ntimi ameje Kofi essence we house ni no bobo ye house ni no munye bon pa senka Kotoko ntinhwe na nkofo di message ba Asante Kotoko lusu 2 goals bet kwabla me bi jira ka jo se Asante Kotoko ye den ne 3 points ne so mo fa
but yembo phobia sticker baso am say first half and fa but second half e tani
ba kwabla woni ma de ba kwa abo Kotoko ne say house of football ne ndra no e na abo Kotoko nti e ma ade bia ne se mpanifo di go e no ka so operation ni o say Kotoko ko ba ya na operation start here afide na je say Jane ba we different operation nti house am abo Kotoko nti Kotoko fans so bompa ma house na ka da bia no house mo na de chana Kotoko abo na nka ma league no to so
say na say Kotoko ni stadium
nti was the time bia na house be bo ansa na Kotoko abebo nti be ma Kotoko na hu e kwa ba fa so batoto ni nema yi nti se ba ni say akodi a
super sub na mbo pa na say Kotoko bojo ma mpo am koye Kumasi Sports Stadium na
kwa na ne say Kumasi dia no so dia amunya nyenwie
na say Kotoko be kwa we nti na mbo
say Kotoko kwa we kura na say Kotoko kwa we kura na eno kwa beboa Kotoko ena say Kotoko no so we no mo koni ni ano esi ano ohwa big teams ni e bakum obo we say obo ase so ho Kotoko ekwa we big teams ni away omo bo has he say after we omo bo has omo ko bo we say elimina shots be obo ase wo ho na obewura ma Beche United be obo ase Aduana Stars na Kotoko be kwa away so ho etiano na we ka say bia Aduana game no mpa na ehu e de ma Kotoko Beku Chelsea be obo ase so nkwado ma be gidida Beku Chelsea kwado so ma be gidida ama be gidida nti omo kwado to bo ase de we na aba obeji akọ
na Kofi Daniel
tabo from
so they are in there
nti kwabla yamo Asante Kotoko abaso do me nya Kotoko fan
Daniel
Dikai
me nya Kotoko fan de me le fi obi on se me nya Kotoko fan
now you are fan Kotoko
oh me support Kotoko Royals any team we Bibiani Gold Stars because say the Ghana Premier League ba say Bibiani Gold Stars ba
obi me ka say Kotoko
oh masa o ka sa chile o obi on so o dia hasini na say Kofi Aji so hasini kamera je ni hasini me ya Kotoko Royals fan and am say Bibiani Gold Stars
yeah Kofi am go
yeah ko say na holiday to na dey enter and chibiasa but Kotoko me ya wadwin say we say we ka say almost some winning at 3 points no but some to me and to me let's say 1-1 what I say
o si game no second one ka say bad draw
yes me say bad draw say anya draw na Kotoko be win at 3 points o
si game no bad
draw that's am kai Daniel di e babuza no Daniel Kotoko ya dey some winning
now say ka Obama me
yes above for kasa but above for is slow did above for no Kotoko ya dey some 3 points because I'm not pressing my leg in the air. A ban some matches we say now. F. I saw Shano. What I say in general.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, that Kotoko for us. Leg in the move power no a punsu.
Me bacho kasa.
Messi Kotoko power kono and cransu na da hono. Leg no mutu me da. That I say. Sa woni akwada akọ Kotoba on. Ubo bi hye ne nsa. Enti be bi o madu sisi amagene so magye leg na bia. Akwa bi na kama say ya fe. Nti ya fe
wo. Okay, na ya say omonsa wonsam no nti yankwa amano so na fe na atiefo ni kon kakra Kotoko supporters no wa mfa mombra na fe ndi kon kakra game no mo wini 2 goals to 1 ya dia na se win no akọ. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, your friends na kasafin.
Oh, from Stagawan, taxi driver.
Taxi driver yanko.
Baby, I don't know. Team Bien over to my say.
Kotoko on team bien or betimi ashe mo bi.
Team Bien over to the theater for my life.
Okay. Okay.
Baby, I don't know. What I
okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it. No, so they are the buy. You for 2,000 course. You are not so free. So hello.
Hello.
Yes, you're from Naka free.
Medina Nanapia, because it's flat Chimnyan Kumase.
Nanapia Chimnyan Kumase.
Aye.
Nanapia enko. Kotoko win 2 goes to 1.
Oh, Kotoko win Maniaje Papa. And the Medi Kotoko supporters in a no behind Honey. Okay. Yaniaje Pan. I'm Pato, we are on my league table, no Kaka.
League table, no, Yadiba, the Mons and sorry so. Okay. Me that say ne also dia o de buy nti wo fi also betimi afra ba 0201944485 na also aba so na ye no edi nkomo. Hello. Yes, your friends na kasa free. Kwa kwantwi abo
many are too much. Agwadu ado o ha. Yes, umudi ka say no astresa ana mze kotoko na ba church kede kaneno. Okay. Me that say ne also dia o de buy. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, but your friends na kasa free.
Phobia sticker.
Yeah. Phobia sticker una woni.
Ba
asa afede na baka bia na to afa ho. Usisa na adwuri. Phobia sticker. Sa ntedu ana du. Ai. Ometia hwe.
Na. Tade uni pa ne kan, oni collabo kotobo a wo bobia so monsa. Tade be na di beje.
Okay.
Obe wazu watia he na wo ba be say.
Okay.
But I'm saying ne kotobo ma, dem say kotobo ne bo home ana. Kotobo ne bo home.
Kotobo ne bo, yes. Satam no bo home level. Accra. Phobia stick am that say na so dia the about phobia stick I don't know and say stand across the folk supporter no dey by. Hello. Yes, your first good evening. Your first na kasa free.
Me could you from Bishop Manso.
Okay, yanko.
E boko toko mi dale ka kotoko abaso na aswa di omunya ye. Say the bay will go city or car, 7 the bay ask for.
Okay.
Come someday. How did you be boo?
Okay. Me that say ne also ode ebaye. League table no sene siete Kumasi Matama Sante Kotoko din kan or 44 point after across the folk tosumi no over 40 point into 4 point gap na Kotoko ebie e de Amaha Safe Mediama etosumi nsa or 40 point Accra Great Olympics etoso 9 on also or 40 point Career United etoso enum or 38 Dream FC etoso insia or 37 afi Wafa etoso ensom or a year 35 afi Duana Stars e wache also 33 Becham United etoso enkron or a year 33 or Bossa Shanti Gold edu or 31 afi Brekum Chelsea etoso Dubako or 30 Elimina Sharks Dumieno or 30 Ebusua Bontobanto do Dumiensa or 27 and afi Dunaino 11 Wonders or 27 Dunum Lagos Cities or 26 Liberty Professionals do Ensiam or 25 afi Kenfaisa Dunson or 23 na fe no twatwo Interlicer or also our 20 points in the same and that league table no AC at after match day 4 no na top 4 no say at Kotoko or 44 Heart or 40 Mediama or 40 na fe Great Olympics and so our 40. Hello. Yes, your first na kasafri. Mpachi yanko. Abante yanko.
If you are there, when you are there, my bros, why? Because we team you know church ya and got to console if you have got to call it.
Okay.
Yes, so about the champions. If you have a seven year, energy, holiday.
Afa. No so the other one. Hello. Okay, we from Manasunti. Coffee yako.
Kwabra ya continue. Mami tia obi taw na me ko.
I'm say back room. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, your first na kasafin. Nash yanko. I am last caller.
The book of the Consul Abato. No, as almost any, the BI better any other city, that could book him at the Hagin.
Okay.
Into my letter, I say, Oboba na ayi ni nkoma a wose no ya mu ya na mu video last kotokoma ati o se kotoko be win better name more than 2 goals.
Oboba won.
Nti ya mu check no.
Ya ba check no. Abofo dem say ya omoba omo ka say on to no boas ntie na oba ba kan ntente. Okay. Me da say ne so dia odiba yem for friend nyina nsi na Kofi.
Ye kwa bra me tia sister Tina Boatin. To was yes o wa for kaza wo sedante. Ana yam kankra na. I'm the one to me. David.
I said down one cassette. I
said down there. There's not under the fire. I don't know the fire. You know, sister Tina Boatin, oh, Tom Jarabia. Oh, you're quite sure. Maybe as some just a filling station to them. I cannot do a washing. Yeah, Mr. Bium. Okay. And I'm Cassabe Quaba, but as much me, I'm a beam. Okay. Into the intro, the other. Okay. Into no, Omabuano. Okay. What does it? Mate medasene onso odia ode aba Kofi Adwunu no na ono so de ne diaba ne yesore dwumade ne so na fe kwa Konkrom Africas enso do nwumde ajo tata kopimtama news no ebe eto aso na we sen din ade Nico Simon from Akim Oda Otam or say Kotoko 2 ebusan dos 1 Nico you are right o score line no abem pepe Kotoko ehemienu Emmanuel Jemfi na ebo 2 goals ni nyina ede ma oboku andin ede Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti ya soro sumidin ede Joshua Kwabena ejenim oche poku warin kan Kofi Adwunu nka Daniel J enso boba enso ba kan ho na live comment nya de bro sisi ade me sore so na Konkrom Africas atwas kokwa ready yanko okay Konkrom Africas
Kenkrai empanfo se ensamanfo kura pom dodo